Regional Development Council meeting ginpatigayon rugya sa probinsya kang Antique. Governor Rodora Cadiao nag-apela sa konseho nga Antique naman ang tutukan para mapasanyog ang mga lugar, seaports kag airport kang probinsya.
With our appeal for kami naman, I am going to gather all our stakeholders. And I hope we can put together all our mayors, sans politics, when we will have a dialogue with you and our regional head agencies on the first week of August. We are going to discuss especially a proposal also and some of the proposals of our mayors. As she has said, ang murang-ura talugto sa mga proposed projects and budgeted projects, kulang kita sa pangabay, kulang kita sa resolutions, pagkulang kita, wala kita nagapangayo. So this time, maybe on August, please present to me all that you have, all that you want, so that on August, when they're all here, the department heads, we will give them all that we need. Siguro hindi na tayo pababayaan yan kasi kami naman appeal by the governor and the people.
Ginpasarig naman kang konseho si Governor Cadiao nga anday abay sa pagplano ang probinsya kang Antique, espesyalmente sa turismo nga bahin.
Certainly, the dialogue between the municipal mayors of Antique will be strategic because kanya-kanyang strengths ang mga munisipyo dito po. So, what we can do is we will gather the regional agencies, particularly those that will be very helpful in realizing the development of Antique, and then we will go from there.
Dugang pa ni Governor Cadiao ang Lipata Port sa Kulasi ang ready rin nga dungkaan kang barko kung sa din pwede magamit ang mga pantalan kang probinsya sa pag-akomodar kang mga turista.
Kami naman, our Lipata Port is already ready. We don't have to visit it. It's ready for your cruise ships.
Bahal ang tsansa nga makabuol kang budget basta salid lang ang probinsya sa criteria kag handa kag kumpleto ang mga project proposals.
Kung wala namang proposal, wala po talaga mangyayari. Because we would like to know exactly what you want. And we would like to know exactly how we will be able to respond to your requests. So, ganun po yung ating first step. Let's have our proposals. Let's make sure that these are the priorities. And then we will bring in the regional agencies and then we will see how the agencies will respond to the requests.
Para sa Ko Patrol, Sheila Bass.